Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Kyle from excel at ESL.com. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the English TH sound. This sound in English can take two possible sounds. It can either be voiced, like th, or it can be unvoiced, like th. If you don't understand what voiced and unvoiced sounds are, then you should take a look at my previous video talking about English IPA symbols. If you also don't understand the symbols that you see on the screen, you should also check that video out. I go in depth into the English IPA alphabet. This is the alphabet of all the sounds in the English language. So today we're going to talk about the TH sound. And like we said, there are two different ways to pronounce this sound in English. You can find the voiced version of this sound in words such as those, lathe, and northern. You can find the unvoiced version of this sound in words such as path, thorn, and think. This sound is pronounced by placing your tongue in between your upper and lower teeth. For the unvoiced version of this sound, you just blow air out of your mouth, like this is called unvoiced because there is no vibration in your throat when you pronounce this sound. You should feel no vibration in your throat. However, the difference between the voiced and unvoiced sound is when you say th, you should be able to feel a vibration in your throat when you say this. Th. Your voice box is vibrating when you say this sound. One of the best ways to practice new sounds or sounds that you have trouble saying is by using a tongue twister. A tongue twister is a sentence or phrase that has your target sound within it many times. This way you can practice saying the sound and become more used to using it in sentences and phrases. That way you can become more comfortable with the contexts that they appear in English sentences, and you can master using this sound in English. So today, let me introduce you to some English tongue twisters that use the sounds th and th. That way, you can practice them and eventually master them so that they don't cause you trouble in English in the future. Ready to get started? This thing, that thing, those things, these things. This will be our first tongue twister. Above is the tongue twister written using the English alphabet. Below is the same thing, but written using IPA. IPA is the best way to improve your English pronunciation. I'll say this tongue twister multiple times. Say it along with me and try to shadow my voice. We'll gradually speed up as we repeat. This thing, that thing, those things, these things. 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 Now try to say it again as many times as you can in 20 seconds. Don't worry if you're not fast. Practice makes perfect. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. This is our second tongue twister. Like before, let's practice together first. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Now try to say it again as many times as you can in 20 seconds. They thankfully think this thing is the best thing that they can throw the 3 times they need to throw a thing. This is our third tongue twister. Just like before, let's practice together first. They thankfully think this thing is the best thing that they can throw the 3 times they need to throw a thing. They thankfully think this thing is the best thing that they can throw the 3 times they need to throw a thing. They thankfully think this thing is the best thing that they can throw the 3 times they need to throw a thing. They thankfully think this thing is the best thing that they can throw the 3 times they need to throw a thing. Now try to say it again as many times as you can in 20 seconds. That's all for today's practice. If you feel like you didn't make much progress, don't worry. It will take some time before you are able to pronounce these sounds clearly and easily, especially if you don't have them in your native language. Be sure to practice these tongue twisters daily, and you'll be making progress before you know it. If you want one-on-one help, be sure to visit me at my website, excel@esl.com. You can find a link in the description. That's all for today's video. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps out the channel, and I deeply appreciate it. If you have any comments, send me an email at kyle@excel@esl.com. That's all for now. See you next time.